What key considerations should an entrepreneur evaluate when starting a new company? Answer. When initiating a new company, an entrepreneur must delve into several crucial questions to lay a solid foundation for the business. Firstly, identifying the target client and understanding their specific needs is fundamental. This involves determining which products or services will effectively fulfill these unmet needs. Secondly, the entrepreneur must consider the materials and resources required to create the product, ensuring the selection aligns with both budget constraints and production capabilities. Additionally, an understanding of the necessary company operations is essential. This includes detailing what roles each team member will fulfill to maintain efficiency and clarity within the business structure. Finally, an entrepreneur should estimate the scope of the market they intend to reach, which involves understanding the size of the potential customer base and strategizing on how to effectively engage this audience. These considerations are pivotal in crafting a business plan that is both realistic and geared towards sustainable growth. How do perseverance and confidence influence an entrepreneur's ability to succeed? Answer. The journey of entrepreneurship is fraught with challenges and obstacles, making perseverance and confidence vital traits for success. Perseverance enables an entrepreneur to navigate through adversities and setbacks without losing momentum. It is not merely about persisting with redundant techniques, rather, it involves a dynamic approach to problem solving, where innovative solutions are sought after to overcome hurdles, and the ultimate goals are never out of sight. This tenacity demands a positive mindset and a drive that keeps the entrepreneur motivated during tough times. Confidence, on the other hand, plays a crucial role right from the inception of the business. It emboldens the entrepreneur to believe in their vision and take the initial risks associated with launching the venture. This self-assuredness is crucial not only in maintaining momentum during failures but also in exploring new business strategies and growth opportunities. Moreover, confidence compels entrepreneurs to engage with their customers actively, seeking feedback that is invaluable for the iterative process of refining products and services. Thus, confidence not only helps in sustaining the business through its embryonic stage but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement as the business matures. Together, perseverance and confidence equip entrepreneurs with the resilience and foresight needed to steer their ventures toward long-term success and innovation.